But in 1976, when they had this, really bad flu shot, that they did the same thing with, they did it, global rollout, and everybody had to take it. And they pulled the shot after 25 deaths reported. 25. So now, I mean, there are, we're living in a different universe now in terms of public health. I mean, the pharmaceutical industry has captured the regulatory structure and and just changed the entire way that people think about public health.
What do you think could be done about that, and what do you think you could do about that?
I think I am, and I don't want this to sound self-promoting, but I'm ideally suited to do this because I've spent so much time litigating and writing about these agencies that I know how to unravel corporate capture. I know exactly what to do when I get in there. And for a lot of them, I know the individuals that have to be moved out and the kind of individuals that need to be moved in. But also, you need to get rid of these really corrupting financial entanglements between the pharmaceutical industry and the regulatory agencies that has put agency capture on steroids. For example, almost 50% of FDA's budget comes from pharmaceutical companies. They're not working for us. They're working for the pharmaceutical company. With CDC has a $12 billion budget, and about almost $5 billion of that goes to buying vaccines in sweetheart deals from these four companies and then promoting them to the public. And so they're really partners with the pharmaceutical industry in the way that you get a promotion at CDC and the way you get recognition and salary increases and good performance reviews is by increasing vaccine uptake, not by finding problems with vaccines. And it's a really bad, it's no longer serving as a regulatory agency. NIH has probably even the worst. If you work at NIH and you work on a vaccine or other medical product, you are allowed to actually to pocket royalties from that product.